From understanding the benefits of crowdfunding to navigating the right platform, we'll cover everything you need to know to get started. Whether you're a seasoned developer or a newcomer to the real estate industry, this video will inspire and guide you to turn your vision into reality. So, what are you waiting for? Let's dive in. Today, we're exploring how crowdfunding can be the key to unlocking your real estate dreams. Whether you're an experienced developer or just getting started, crowdfunding offers a powerful way to bring your ideas to life. What is real estate crowdfunding? Real estate crowdfunding is a way of raising funds for property investments by pooling money from multiple investors through online platforms. It lets you invest in real estate without needing huge upfront capital or dealing with property ownership responsibilities. This method opens doors for everyone, making real estate investment accessible even to those who may not have large budgets. With crowdfunding, you can fund anything from residential and commercial developments to rental properties or even real estate-backed loans. How does real estate crowdfunding work? The process is simple. Developers or property owners present their projects on crowdfunding platforms. These platforms carefully vet the projects to ensure they're credible and have the potential to offer returns. As an investor, you can browse these opportunities, assess the risks, and decide how much you want to invest. Depending on the project, your returns could come from rental income, property appreciation, or interest payments on secured loans. There are two main models: equity-based and debt-based. In the equity model, you own a share of the property and earn a part of the profits. In the debt model, you lend money and receive fixed interest payments over time. Once a project is fully funded, the funds are used to execute the plan. Platforms also provide regular updates, making it hassle-free for investors. But remember, there are risks like market fluctuations or project delays, so always do your research. What is Kickstarter? Now, let's talk about Kickstarter. It's one of the most popular crowdfunding platforms globally. Creators showcase their projects and raise funds from a community of backers. In return, backers get rewards, perks, or early access to the project. But here's the catch. Kickstarter operates on an all-or-nothing model. If your campaign doesn't meet its funding goal, no money is collected. This pushes creators to set realistic goals and motivates backers to support the campaign. Can I use Kickstarter for real estate? Here's the big question. Can you use Kickstarter for real estate? Unfortunately, the answer is no. Kickstarter is designed for creative and community-driven projects, not business or investment ventures. Real estate projects usually aim to attract investors seeking financial returns, like rental income or property appreciation. This conflicts with Kickstarter's rules, which prohibit offering financial incentives or equity sharing. Kickstarter also requires tangible rewards for backers, which isn't practical for real estate projects. Plus, its audience prefers innovative and artistic ideas over profit-driven ventures. So, what's the alternative? Real estate-specific platforms like Fundrise, RealtyMogul, Crowdestate, EstateGuru, or Smartcrowd are far better options. Exploring the best platforms. 1. Fundrise. Fundrise, operating in the United States, lets you start investing with as little as $10. It's perfect for long-term investments in residential and commercial properties. You can earn through dividends and property appreciation, with professional management handling the details. 2. RealtyMogul, also based in the US. RealtyMogul is ideal for accredited and non-accredited investors. It offers both equity and debt-based projects, along with real estate investment trusts for diversification. With a rigorous vetting process, it ensures only high-quality opportunities. 3. Crowdestate. Operating in Europe, Crowdestate offers diverse projects, from development loans to rental properties. It's known for its transparency and focus on small and medium-scale developments, giving you the chance to invest in emerging markets. 4. EstateGuru. With operations across various European countries, EstateGuru specializes in secured loans. Investors earn fixed interest payments, typically between 8 to 12% annually. It's a great choice for those seeking geographical diversification and solid returns. 5. Smartcrowd. Based in the UAE, Smartcrowd is the first regulated real estate crowdfunding platform in the Middle East. It allows fractional ownership of properties, offering accessibility and regulatory oversight. It's a gateway to the booming Middle Eastern real estate market. These platforms aren't just fundraising tools. They're launchpads for turning your real estate vision into reality. If you've been dreaming of your own real estate project, now is the time to act. So, what are you waiting for? Take that first step and make your dream a reality. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Funding Sparks, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Together, we can make incredible things happen. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.